The Same Page platform is at its heart a way for families and a support network to get on the same page. At Core Values Recovery, we believe that recovery is a team sport. That's why we've created this place for a family to all be on the same page. And for clients, this is really simple. What's going on here is just a simple way to know what's going on, how things are going, what people are supposed to do next, and who they can turn to for support. That's it. It looks pretty simple, and that's all it needs to be for families. But behind the scenes, there's a different story. We think that the opposite of addiction is connection. And the way to help someone out of addiction is through creating a connection between them, their family, their support network, and their coaches. And so we give our coaches the best technology in the world in order to make that happen. Same Page allows for our network of coaches to work together to help families recover. They can share information at a glance, check progress and engagement in meetings, and share notes. Let's take a look at the timeline view for a client. On the left-hand side, you can see client notes from the client's various coaches. With Core Values Recovery, you get 2 to 3 coaches, an executive coach, a family coach, and sometimes a peer recovery coach to help you recover in place. This is where they share notes. On the right-hand side is our Insights column. This is our private AI that is using our own curriculum and the latest publicly available research and insights from scientific journals to give our coaches guidance. Addiction is the opposite of connection, and that means that no one is going to find recovery through a chatbot. But if we can use AI to coach the coach, to enhance the coaching relationship, and to magnify our coaches' shared experience, strength, and hope, we can improve the outcomes for our clients. But notes are just one part of the picture. Same Page also offers assessments that can periodically be given to our clients that measure the amount of guilt and anger our clients are carrying alongside their capacity to maintain their serenity, their spiritual connection, and their ability to set boundaries. This extends to the families as well, where we measure each participant's perception of honesty, trust, respect, growth, and engagement in the process. So our coaches can get an idea of what's going on with our clients and, most importantly, show and measure change and growth. And finally, in recovery, it's not just what our clients say, it's what our clients do and how they act. That's what matters. Which is why Same Page is integrated with wearable technology. While we integrate with breathalyzers for accountability, we also integrate with consumer fitness trackers that are ordinary wearables, so they're inconspicuous. This gives our coaches insights into sleep patterns, heart rate, exercise, workouts, and their overall wellness of our clients. Because recovery isn't a cross to carry. It's a bridge into a great life. All of this data can be fed again into our AI companion for our coaches to help our coaches better connect with our clients and to give them insight, inspiration, hope, and to cover blind spots. We think Same Page is the right way to use technology in recovery. It's not about oversight or control. It's not about replacing human connection. It's about enhancing it. Our values are about connection and compassion between our coaches, families, and clients. To that end, this is technology that needs to be used responsibly. We're rolling this technology out now to our families and clients slowly, and later this year, we'll be offering it as a solution to interventionists, case managers, and coaches who want to use it for their clients too. But they'll need to be trained in our methodology of coaching in order to work with this technology. So if you're interested in being the first to use this, the best way to do that is to sign up for our Core Values Coaching Training. You can find out more about that at corevaluesrecovery.com/training. And if you are or know a family in need of recovery of any kind, please reach out. We're happy to help.